All right, now that the weather's getting warmer, we're going to do one of our customary first starts. This is the only fan that, you know, sometimes this one doesn't start up. This one, when I got it, it was totally stuck, like mechanically, really a bad mess. And because of the shape of the motor housing, this is kind of a unique fan for a General Electric, which we'll see in a second. And I did not pull the motor apart for a couple reasons. I simply oiled from the front. And everyone will tell you, don't oil from the front on a General Electric. Never oil from the front. Well, guess what? That's what I did. And when the first couple of times when I ran it cold, it was still stuck. And so every once in a while I would take it out and run it and see if it would run. Last couple times I've run it, it started right up. We're hoping we find that today. So here we go. As you can see, like I was saying before, this has got kind of a unique motor housing that sticks out. It has all these fins on it. This is not the plate. This is a cosmetic disc that's glued on. You got to take that off, and then you have the metal plate, which is typical on the GEs. If you're curious about how to oil these, I have a whole bunch of videos on my, just go in and check them out. They're in their GEs, clean and oil, and you'll see how to do it. This one eventually will do, but it did run nice, and how about that spin down? So that's not so bad. Let's see if there's a startup sound on this. And then there's this guy, the Frankenfan, whatever era Lakewood, with those blades. And you know, they had just cleaned this once and oiled it back when I started all this, and it runs even. It's cool. You know, it never heats up. I was worried about the heavier blade hub on the motor, but I've checked it and tested it, and it works real nice. It's super quiet, super light. It's just a little beater fan, right? Pretty nice. I had to cut the hole in the grill to fit this because this is a little more proud than the original blades were, and so there you go. But nice little machine, considering. So that's the window fan for out here. You know, all these vintage, the vintage fans, I'm afraid to put them in the window. I had the other guy, the new guy, the Monarch, but I couldn't. He doesn't even fit in here, and that thing's nothing but problems anyway. So anyway, that's that.